Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make chicken ginger rice. Add 50 ml of oil, 1 tablespoon ginger, 5 to 6 green chilies, add half kg of chicken cubes and mix that. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Ajinomotto, 1 teaspoon black pepper and mix well. Cover and let it cook for 15 minutes on low heat. Once the chicken is cooked, add 1.5 cup of washed and soaked rice. Cover until the water boils. Once the water dries, you can add food color. Cover and let it cook for 10 minutes on low heat. Do try it out. Thanks for watching.